Hi there. Today we're going to learn how to add a user account to our Linux operating system. So on the screen, I have a freshly installed Linux machine and we're going to add user and give the user a sudo privilege. So let's check what is this account. So we can check that by typing ID. So this is a root account and there are no users inside. This is a freshly installed Linux. So let's update by typing apt update. And apt upgrade to upgrade your system. Let me clear the screen. Also, let's check the version of this OS. So this is Ubuntu 20.04. Clear the screen. So the command to add a user is, as you guessed it, it's add user and the name of your user. So for this, I am going to call demo user. So this will be my username. So then you click enter and it is going to prompt you for a password. So please enter your favorite password and retype it. So in this one, so it has created a user called demo user and it has also created a home directory for you, which is /home/demo user. So if you want, you can write the full name, room number, work phone, home phone, others, and confirm it. If it is correct, it's okay. Now demo user is created, but we have not yet added this to a sudo account. Okay, for that we'll have to install sudo at the root. So for that you install apt install sudo. So this is going to install the sudo program. So once that is done, so we need to add our demo user to usermod. So it's called, the code for that is usermod -a -g sudo and the name of your demo user. So now you enter. So now demo user is added to sudo using user modification. So after this, we'll have to edit our vi sudo file, which has got all the information regarding sudo. So for that, you type vi sudo. Okay, because there is no vim installed, so you'll have to install vim, apt install vim, click enter. Okay, let's clear the screen. So now we type vi sudo and the vi sudo file is open. So you can see, so this file is open from /etc sudoers as a temp file, and also it says that this file must be edited with vi sudo. So please don't use either any other text editor because we might cover up this file. So the best is to install the vim and type vi sudo. Okay, so we need to go to this area, which is user privilege specification. So you can use Shift to go down and type I and add the name of your user, which is demo user tab and all equals all colon all close bracket space all. Then type escape. Now you have added demo to the user privilege specification. And also it's saying this allow all members of group sudo to execute any command. So your demo user now is also added to sudo. So whenever you use sudo, so you can use root privileges to install your files. So how do you exit this? So for that, hit colon and W, that is right, and quit the file. Okay, so now you have added your demo user to sudoer. So let's now log into our demo user. For that, you use su dash and the name of your user. So in this instance, it is demo user. Now we have entered into our own demo user. So you can check that by typing ID. So now our user is demo user and it is in this group ID and in the groups, and also it is added to our sudo group. So how do you check that? So let's try to install an application. So maybe let's install Git. Let's try to install without using Git. Let's see what happens. So it says the permission is denied. Are you a root? So if you want to become a root, so now you need to use sudo command and type your apt install and git. So now when you enter it, you'll ask you for a password. Now enter your password and hit enter, and this is going to install your git now. So this is how you create a new user account and add it to sudoer and log in as your user and use the sudo privileges to install or uninstall your programs. Okay, so now I'm in demo user. I can get out of demo user. Now I'm back to root, so I can go into demo user again by using sudo dash demo user. So I can say apt install a fortune cookie. Okay, I have installed fortune cookie now. So I just type fortune and it gives me a fortune cookie for this day. So I can check one more. Exercise caution in your daily affairs. Okay, that's how you use sudo. You can also use sudo to delete your software. Like for example, sudo apt remove fortune. It's deleted now. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.